All right, there we go. We are live. Satisfactory is, well, Epic is being epic.
There's a reason I never use Epic.
Yeah. I will move all of the stuff over to Steam if you want to buy me it on Steam. Alrighty. You are in. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit of frames. We're good now. Okay. I am going to take a look as we are in Satisfactory 1.1.1. I'm going to take a quick look at the shop and figure out what is in here to know. All right, conveyor wall hole is in the awesome shop. The basic shelf unit is a replacement for the personal storage box. Got it. Nothing in there. Whoa. We have braided cable. I can actually make a giant bridge.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How about
Oh.
we get some manufacturing done?
Yeah, that will happen. I'm just looking. Okay, so we got the ventilation bundle. That's going to be fun. Personal elevator is not available. Advanced steel protection and silica needs to be researched. Okay. I think that was all the new stuff, right? That's all like the new building things that I know. Yeah. That's gonna be down the quartz texture, I bet.
I don't like
Bet
that.
that's reinforced plates. Okay, I'm gonna go copy paste factories. Oh yeah, there was a new
Do we need
setting
to
they
copy
added.
paste?
I'm copy pasting factories.
Hmm?
The production factories. I'm going and placing more in, getting them built. And that reminds me.
True, the constructor one can be.
Yep. Reminds me.
I forget that we already have a constructor one.
Yeah. Now that I'm in my vehicle, that reminds me. They added a new setting to remove fuel need from vehicles, but I have a feeling we don't care about that.
Oh, we're fine. We got fuel under control.
Yeah.
That's an odd thing to remove.
Well, it also removes fuel from like the chainsaw and stuff.
Again, an odd thing to remove.
Yeah. What's in? Trying to find my building to copy paste off of. So I'm gonna do. Oh, I have to think about this.
Does this not want to do this?
No, I don't. Alright, this is my copy paste building, and I'm gonna copy paste it over on the other side of the street. I wish we had blueprints.
What the? Oh, cool.
What did you learn?
Nothing, just my hotbar was glitched.
Oh.
It wasn't displaying anything. But it's fine.
I'm very excited. They added another splitter that you can set the quantity so you don't have to do weird splitter quantity things anymore. Yeah. And say like I want this amount to go through. At least I think that's how it works. Here. Nope. I went too far. That's into the fuel removal thing. Priority merger. It's the merger. They did not do it with the splitter. Okay. Which one of its it lets you say which one of the inputs is high priority. So if one input has full items going through it, prioritize that input first. And then feed in another one instead of stopping that input every so often to feed in from another one. Okay.
Interesting.
I could see that being useful for certain things. You know, I forgot to actually like go and look at how to build what I need to build. That I need to put in the truck stations. I don't have materials to place truck stations. Right. This one. You know what they should add? They probably won't, because it's been so long. But I would love the ability to take a storage container and hook it up to the back of a tractor and haul it. That would be so nice.
That is a lot of additional stuff you're asking for there.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna go.
That is not a small implementation project.
No, that's why I said it probably won't happen. All right, I'm gonna go grab the rotors because we're out.
Oogie.
I'm driving on the wrong side of the street. Wee. Oh. Oh, since I'm here, I can check that stuff. See if there's any back and done wrong. I don't think that's. Oh God. We're good. Can't drive. Let's megafauna. Okay, good. Haven't missed any milestone stuff. Oh, it's just 10 iron plates on the floor in front of the crafting bench over here.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Need my truck. I think rotors are this one. Yay! Hey. Oh, production's moving at full speed. It's just producing slow. Oh no, rotors are getting taken, right. There we go. Take like that many rotors. Okay. Oh, did you know Satisfactory has proximity chat?
Interesting.
Yeah. I don't think we'll ever use it, but it's cool.
That is interesting. What I would like is I would like the garage doors they've added. That sounds like it would be fun. Two off of here. Okay. Lined up like that. Okay.
I have no rods. That's a problem. Oh no, we do have the roll-up gate. Oh my. Okay. I've been mildly sidetracked and I need to come show you a thing.
Oh my god.
Give me a moment. All right. Please head on down to the first floor.
Okay.
Do-do-do-do.
That's really bad.
I have the stuff set up.
Yeah. I got stuff I gotta do down there, so I'm setting up for that.
Oh, okay. Need any help?
No, it's fine.
I come see what you're doing. Oh, yeah.
It's not interesting in the slightest.
I was just curious what it was.
It's just pipe rerouting.
Yep. So, you know the gates we have been using, this
Mhm.
type of gate? Well, this is the new gate if you come outside. It's the same size as the 4.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yep. Obviously not do it right now, but which one do you think you prefer?
I think the rolling one is fine.
All right. The rolling one?
Yeah.
All right. So I will at some point move those over. But first
Hopefully once
factors.
production is finished.
Yes. If my
Or
brain
once the
starts
city is like rolled over.
Yeah. Once my brain goes, I need to take a break from copy pasting, I'm gonna do that. Because it will go, you have to be done from copy pasting now, buddy.
Weak.
You know. Okay. Cross my little skyway. Space by 2, not there.
It's the middle of that one, isn't it? Yep. Yep.
This side starts weird.
What the?
You good?
No, I think they changed how pipelines lay.
Oh yeah, they did. You have 2 new modes.
It's atrocious. No, but all the old modes are different, so they don't run the same way.
That's stupid.
Yeah, I can't use the way that I've been running all of these pipes. No longer works. And I can't place pipeline supports in the same spots. So certain things that I was doing are just impossible now.
You should be able to place pipeline supports in more spots.
Nope.
They made the
You
hitboxes
can't place them at
soft.
the edge. You cannot place them on the edge of catwalks anymore.
Oh, that's stupid.
They collide with railings and consider it uneven ground, but you used to be able to place them there perfectly fine.
You should be able to put a platform at the same height and just place it on the platform. And then delete the platform and replace the catwalk.
Yeah, but I used to be able to just put the thing there.
Yeah.
And now it initially lets me do it, and then once I go into height mode, it says, nah.
That's annoying.
Actually,
I think there's still a bug report feature. I know there's a key for it.
there's that. Those are gonna suck to run.
Ah. Oh, I have to specify the resources. So this is iron plate. And then iron rod. This factory is iron plate, iron rod, screws, and cable. Okay. So this factory eats all the iron.
Oops.
Next one is wire, copper, steel beam, steel pipe. Yes, we have the ability to make those. We just don't have the resources. Okay. Oh, I'm doing 2 buildings and then it's designing a new setup.
Mhm.
Okay. Whee! Ow. It's such a perfect curve. I can make circles. More effective. Oh yeah, I want to try. How does the vertical? Oh, that is so cool. No clue how like that works, you know? But it's cool. Have you taken a look at the vertical splitters yet?
No.
It's cool. I don't know if they'll be of use for you, but they are pretty cool for certain things. That's wrong. How have I screwed this up? What the hell did I? Okay, that's in. Okay. Placement. This is the smelter level. To go up a level. Why am I running? The audio for the factory cart opening is broken. That's sad.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. So it's centered. Centered, 2 away, 4 away. Two, three. That's not what I needed. did need that material, but not yet. How goes the power network?
I'm not really working on the power network.
Or not the power
Just
network.
generation.
Yeah, the generation.
It goes.
Did you happen to take any reinforced iron plate from these big chests?
No clue.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't have a ton on me, so.
Let me look and see if you have any in your storage, and then I'm driving back to pick up a bunch.
I'm definitely eating through what I have. Like,
Alright, I'll just go get a bunch.
I've got some brutal
Oh, because you're doing tier 2
building
belts in
coming
there.
up. Not a ton, but enough.
Yeah. Yeah. That's definitely one that should start with tier 2.
It has to, mathematically.
Yeah.
Unless we want half the factory floor to just be elevators.
Yeah. It would look cool, but...
There comes a point where parallelism is suboptimal.
Yep.
Ugh. Hmm.
Oh, I just realized something that is absolutely going to happen with some of these runs. No, because we can view how much fuel it takes. And we'll always have fuel at places. So it'll be fine.
Jeebus, what is the head pressure on these things?
One.
This is obscene.
Is it not flowing, or is it flowing too much?
I think it's going to floor 2 from the pumps in the basement.
Oh, those
20 meters.
20 meters.
This feels like more than 20 meters, but
Yeah.
I may be wrong. It's sure working.
Hmm. Oh, that would be smart to do. When we start putting the trucks in, we should color code them.
Hmm.
It would make it look cooler and also make it easier to go, ah, that's the truck that's screwing up. Let's go hunt down that color.
Solid elements. These here. What? Why is this specific floor hole just impossible to connect to? Now it isn't. Great.
Come on, factory cart, let's make sure I did this right. Okay. only thing is this conveyor belt then needs to be marked. But that does work. And it will be a little... Eh. That's so much cleaner. I have found a use for the new conveyor splitter. It is going to make the wiring up of this or the conveying up of this one a lot easier.
That's good.
Yep. What do you mean the conveyor belts? Oh, I can make it even simpler on myself. Mm. Mm. Alrighty. What's the command to cross out something again?
Control Shift 5.
Thank you. What? Control Shift F5 or 5?
5.
Eh? Oh, I see the actual marker to just do it.
Mm-hmm. Center text.
Nope. Oh, Alt.
Alt Shift 5.
There we go. Okay.
It's something just a touch goofy.
Yep. I'm so happy they added infinite nudging. That's gonna make life so much easier for these builds. Just do I have it? You don't have it. Right there. H is on 16. Oh, H is right there. Now we just need nudge rotation and we are set. Oh my god. Oh, that's gonna make our lives so much easier. I'm so happy. Okay, so you know how it was gonna kind of be a pain in the butt to do the coal runs from the bottom of the floor up to all the truck stations?
I don't remember that being pain.
Well, we haven't done it yet. I thought it was gonna be a pain, but with the new splitters, we can just run a an elevator all the way up and just split it where we need to.
Yeah.
We'll just have to do a funky thing. Oh, the conveyors in. Are they in the way? They are in the way. Doesn't work as well as I thought it would. But it will work. Somewhat. It'll be helpful. Okay. Alt Shift 5. Ah. Oh, I need to. You want to see? Casper's is 265. Our steel screws. Casper's are 50. Oh, we want to do steel screws when we do the screws.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so cast screws is 12.5 iron ingot per minute for 50 per minute screws. While steel
Mhm.
screws is 5 steel beam per minute. It isn't. Oh no, it's an extra step. Never mind. It makes it a tier 2 factory. Never mind. That's why the number is so
That's
ridiculously
fine.
big. It's
But 10.
it's a savings of like 10 and you get 260 a minute out of it. Yeah. I think to start, for simplicity's sake, we just do cast screws, so just straight from iron ingots into screws
Oh.
instead of building a thing. Yeah. I don't even think. Yeah, we need faster belts too to handle that. We will get faster belts. Right.
Is this right?
You want me to come look?
No. It's
Alright.
fine. Oh, it totally is.
Oh,
50, 60 supports 4. We're doing.
I
2
simultaneously
seriously.
hate this change and love it.
Mm-hmm.
Taking conveyor splitter and look at the ceiling.
Oh, thank God. That's how
Yeah.
that's supposed to work.
Yep, I do like it, but also it just slightly changes how I copy paste for some things.
It's the correct way for it to be implemented, though.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Like,
I was
there's no
not
argument that's how
expecting.
that's supposed to work.
Yeah.
Can't really complain about not being able to exploit bugs.
Yeah, I will though. I will complain.
this monstrous spaghetti monster.
How spaghetti is the spaghetti?
It's well, so it's very small spaghetti, but that spaghetti is like going berserk.
I kind of want to come over and see.
It is spaghetti. There's just not a lot of it.
I'm gonna get these conveyors.
It's like what designer spaghetti. Those fancy restaurants where they give you like half a serving of food at a time.
Oh my god.
That's kind of what it looks like.
Oh, come take a look at this. Oh god. I can't drive. No.
It's all perfectly wound up, just very small.
Do, 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 do.
Centered right there.
I am coming to inspect the spaghetti. What level are you on?
I feel like it should be obvious.
Ah.
I
Oh.
barely go to different levels.
Yeah, it is only mild. It's not even that bad of spaghetti.
It's definitely spaghetti, though.
Yeah.
That is disgusting angles.
Yeah.
Especially when everything else is like dead perfect straight.
Yeah. But granted, this you should be doing curves if you're working with fluids.
You got curves, they're just 90-degree curves. Still a curve.
Smooth curves. Do, do, do. Yep, that feels so much more industrial having the rolling gate.
I need T2 plates.
If you come over to me, I have some you can have. I have. That's like half.
Sweet. I have no clue how far that would get me.
Well,
I've placed 5. I need 24. I do math. 19.
I think tonight, instead of just letting the world run for a little bit after we're done streaming, I think I'm gonna go load up on materials and just let it run while my character crafts a bajillion reinforced iron plate. You like my little skyway?
Yeah.
That was, I need to figure out how to build stuff and I don't want to have to go all the way down. But I want it to look pretty because it's probably going to stay for a bit.
What else do I have on this list? Oh, that saves a ton. I'll be fine. I need 380. Nice.
Let me out. I got consumed by my truck. What? So confused. How? I put these all backwards.
Oof.
Ugh. Okay. By... What do you... Okay. You're like that? No, that's backwards. That feeds in. I filled the entire thing backwards. Okay. Okay. At least I get all my resources back. Uh, oh. I don't think I have truck power. Nope. No, I did. My dog is very upset that there's a thunderstorm.
Oh. I hear.
Yeah. Shit. Okay. I can mark iron rod. Oh, I need to actually make this machines be iron rod. That is backwards. Three, four, five.
Well,
It's crazy. I'm one belt run short on Mark IIs.
No. I mean, I have more Mark IIs. You can come pick them up if you want.
Not yet.
Right. I'm almost done with screws.
Nice.
Yep.
I think within half an hour I can have this entire factory done.
Oh, wow.
Aside from coal in. I'm not going to worry about that right now.
Yeah. Do we want to go for an extra half hour?
It should be less than that.
Alright, we can do it.
I should be pretty quick from here. I have to do just copy paste work right now.
Yeah.
It's copy paste work and then a few cables.
I would not mind different copy paste work.
Good luck.
My brain is starting to go, how do I build this again?
I'm impressed with how quickly my brain is just like, this is memorized. Don't even bother looking anywhere else.
Yeah.
It's figured out. It's stupid.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. I'm gonna leave that as a curve. I didn't mean to do it as a curve, but I'm gonna leave it as a curve. That looks cool. Yeah, no. Because then we can't add stuff to make it stabilized. Yep. Okay. Come on.
Place these too far. What?
What happened?
I have a floor hole I can't connect to, but it has a pipe run to it and everything. What?
Oh, you want me to come and try?
No. I don't know why.
Try now. An autosave was happening.
It was consistent. It's definitely not that. I rebuilt it, so hopefully that fixes it. But it appears identical as the other three. Doesn't behave identical.
Oh. I can mark off. I can mark off machinery. No, I'm just gonna do it right now because I'm gonna forget. Boot up Stream Deck. Add myself a button. System. Hotkey. Alt Shift 5. Oh. Is there just like
I hate you, new pipeline system. You're the worst. I have to do all sorts of nonsense to work around the stupid way that you connect pipes now. One step times 2. And I'm done. Oh, a couple steps. One section.
alright. And I want
I just gotta run my catwalk pipes and I'm done.
Should I come see or should I keep building my thing?
I'm
I'm just wondering time
You
wise.
should see once it's done.
Okay.
In
But-
order to freaking
You're a ways away from done. Oh god.
wait, what the frick? Why is that a possibility? I just need you to run the one Mark II belt.
I can do that. Is that all that's left?
No.
Okay. Do you need me to do that right now? Or
No.
okay. Then I will do it when I come over to look at it.
Schwick. Why are these floor holes so buggy? What the frick are you on? Okay. There's also now a bug where it sometimes forgets which build mode you're in. Which is something that I wanted. Shockingly consistent how it just forgets I'm in Zoop or straight or hard.
Weird.
Why? Why? Why are you like this? What? Ow.
Oh no.
Do I have to destroy this side? That's very inconvenient, you know. Possibly maximally inconvenient. Nope. What? Okay. I'm just not hooking up that generator. I'm over it. That
I'll
generator just won't be operational.
I'll come try and hook it up when I get over there. Is that the last thing then?
No.
Okay.
Freaking. Everything is aligned incorrectly. How is everything wrong? Absolutely everything
Uh-oh.
is not. Can I even. Oh, no, I can't connect to any of these. What? There's one of these functional. Oh, there's a second. Oh, there's a third. 3 out of 12 can be connected to. What's wrong with the rest? Legitimately. What is
Yeah.
wrong? That's so annoying. I don't know what to do about it because I can't fix the other one. This side's all functional.
They're completely identical between the two?
Should be.
Hmm.
I built them at the same time.
Well, let me finish hooking up what I'm hooking up, and then I'll come over and take a look. See if it works for host, or if it's just being weird.
Wow, this side was just fast. Like, I'm done already. I spent longer trying to run one pipe on the other side than this entire side took. That's
Okay.
crazy.
Let me mark off that I got the truck set up, and then I will come take a look.
Nice.
Yep. Still have to do the machinery. That's the long part.
There's that done. So it's just these million tubes that just have decided. Oh, wait, what? Oh, huh?
Oh, are they working now?
No, that's off of that. I thought I found a new hitbox, but I did not. Oh.
Alright, I am on the way over.
What is wrong with this?
Alright, where's this conveyor belt that needs to get built?
Floor 2, it's a Mark II on the far end of the input line. With the squiggle. Or the reverse elevator.
Oh, I see the little bit.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was short.
Yeah, that's sad. So this is the
It's
side
like one plate.
This is the side I'm assuming.
Yeah, I
is not
think I
working?
found it. I think that for some reason, like all of these pipes are backwards.
Oh, they don't have directions.
But the moment I remove the thing underneath, I can now connect up here.
Weird.
But if underneath is deleted and replaced, I can't connect up here.
That's interesting. Huh.
See, this is quite fast once the pipes decide to actually just connect. And if my thing remembered the build mode it's supposed to be in, that would also be a good feature.
All right. Is this all electrical wired up yet?
No.
Okay.
It needs electrical and it needs coal in, and then
Oh, the
it's
bottom
done.
stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Water, though, should be all done once I fix all these pipes.
Mhm.
Which hopefully, yeah, I can just do. Except my build mode got forgotten again.
Weird. So that must just be an issue with the pipes, because I was not getting that with the conveyors.
I've also had it on the catwalks.
Weird. Well, once you get this up and running, nice. Once it's fully up and running, you probably are good to set up truck stations over at the coal. And get that running.
I need to put a second of
over
these.
here. Oh, right. Yep.
We need a second of these to cover the whole footprint of everything.
Right.
So second building needs to go up just down the street a little bit. And then this whole thing needs to be built over there again.
Yep.
That gives us generation here.
Mm-hmm.
Then the coal roofs can be set up, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna need to set up coal actually going into coal storage. Because we're gonna need a lot of that.
Yeah,
All this looks really good.
Yeah. I think we might need. Yeah, we're gonna have to go hunting for more coal nodes.
Yeah.
Well.
And we have what? 15 calculator. 15 times 24 times 4. So we need 1,440 divide by 60. We need 24 fulls.
24 full coal nodes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We've got one. A pure or full?
Pure, sorry.
Pure. Okay. We have one pure, 4 normal. Make that 3. 2 pure, 4 normal, 1 impure. Nearby us that I can pick up on the scanner. Fun.
Pure. Normal. Is normal 30?
Normal 60, pure is 120.
Oh, never mind. Holy, we need that many normals. Yeah, we're fine.
All right.
Especially because we'll be able to hoist all of the input from the other factory. Because these two will power
that's
full grid.
That's including the ones that are
Yeah.
currently in use. That's all the
But-
nodes I could get on scanner.
I think we'll have enough.
Yeah.
We
It'll
might
be
have to
fine.
explore around a little, but not a ton.
Yeah, and I know there is one more node that it didn't pick up. For sure, but
We'll be able to yoink everything though.
yep,
We'll be good.
yes. But it is time to be done.
It is. Thank goodness.
I
Only
just
took
ran
me
out
I
of
feel
fuel.
like 10
Perfect.
minutes.
All right. Well, goodbye.
Adios.